want to introduce you to Prakruti specific Ayurvedic medical kit for astronauts, PSAMKA. In this app, 10 basic questions are asked, and on the basis of their answers, the Prakruti is decided. Prakruti is like the elemental constitution of every person. It is like the body type. Prakruti is made of 3 doshas. Doshas are like the elements of the body and the mind. Doshas are further made of Panchamahabhutas. Panchamahabhutas are elements which we all are familiar with. That are either air, water, fire and earth.
Let me tell you about the functionalities and salient features of this app. In this app, after the Prakruti is decided, the high-risk disorders are predicted and the medical kit is prescribed, which contains all diets, therapies, medicines, etc.
Now, to make you understand the on-ground testing and implementation regarding this app, we will demonstrate it through a role play.
Hi Dr. Surya Pratap. I have a space mission planned next month. So I wanted your consultation regarding the diets, therapies, medicines which I should take on board.
There is this app, PSAMKA. This is developed by a software developer, a friend of mine.
Hello everyone, myself Akshat and I am the developer of this app. Let me present you the app. So this is the app. It's simple and very user friendly. Now let's navigate through the app. There are 10 simple questions in this app. Each question has 3 options. Now I would like to request my astronaut friend to answer the questions one by one.
My body frame is strong. My skin type is white and smooth. My hair type is black and smooth. My food likings are spicy and sour food. My learning type is medium learner and good memory. My appetite is less quantity and more frequency. My nature is hyperactive and moody. My sleep is deep and continuous. My stamina and strength is moderate. My sweating is hyperperspiration with odor.
Now when we click on next, first we can see our Prakruti. So your Prakruti is Pitta Kapha. Now I would like to request the doctor to put forth his comments.
The predicted high-risk disorders are as follows: fluid loss, radiation, etc. The app also prescribes Ayurvedic personalized medical kit for astronauts, which consists of oils, medicines, diets and therapies personalized for the astronaut. Happy space flight!
I am Akshat and I am handling designing and cost estimation of this program.
I am Abhishek and I have done designing and marketing for this product.
I am Surya Pratap Sandeep Patil and I am responsible for inception of the idea and coding. Happy to share that we are the winners of ATL Marathon 2021 and I also successfully completed Student Innovation Program sponsored by ATL Innovation Mission.
The USP of this app is customization of astronauts' medical kit using the fundamental principles of the Ayurveda. This revolutionary concept will not only help to make astronauts stay in the space healthier but also to extend it. Being a computer science expert, I claim that conversion of this functional prototype into the full-fledged application is feasible.
Thank you to all stakeholders.